JavaScript is a scripting language used primarily by the client, a computer making requests from a server to make websites dynamic. JavaScript can check if a user has filled out a form correctly, generate pop-up windows, and leave a trail of breadcrumbs, among other things. Although JavaScript has its uses, some users will disable it. Therefore, page authors should ensure that their pages are still accessible without the use of JavaScript. This is how to view link behaviors. We're going to open up a sample data file. Begin by clicking File. Then click Open File. Click the desktop icon. Double-click the WebAuthor B folder. Click the file Workshop B Sample. Then click the Open button. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the header that says JavaScript Links. Let's test these two links to see how they work. Click to follow the first link. Notice the JavaScript pop-up window. Click the OK button. This links the user to the Cal State LA homepage. Go back one page. Click to follow the second link. Again, notice the JavaScript pop-up window. Click the OK button. Again, the user is linked to the Cal State LA homepage. Click the back button. These links should work with JavaScript disabled. To disable JavaScript, first click Tools. Then click Options. Click the General tab, if necessary. Uncheck Enable JavaScript. Then click the OK button. Let's try clicking the links again now that we have JavaScript disabled. Click to follow the second link again. The user is directed to the Cal State LA homepage. Let's click the back button on the browser. Click to follow the first link. With JavaScript disabled, the link doesn't work because the JavaScript code associated with the link cannot be executed. This link will need to be repaired. This is how to make links accessible. With a text editing program open, click File. Then click Open. Click the desktop icon. Double-click the WebAuthor B folder. Click the drop-down arrow next to Files of Type. Select All Files. Open the sample data file Workshop B Sample. Then click the Open button. Notepad displays the HTML code for the web page. Click and drag to select the HTML code ahref equals http www.calstatela.edu. OnClick equals popup. This action selects the JavaScript code that allows the link to function even if a user has JavaScript disabled. Next, click Edit. Then click on Copy. Click and drag to select the code for the link that doesn't work when JavaScript is disabled, ahref equals JavaScript popup. Then click Edit. Next, click on Paste. Save the changes by clicking on File, then click Save. Now we'll test the two links to see if they work. With Firefox open, begin by clicking File. Then click on Open File. Click the desktop icon. Double-click the WebAuthor B folder. Click on the file Workshop B Sample. Then click the Open button. Scroll down until you see the links at the bottom of the web page. Click to follow the first link. The link works correctly. Click the back button in the Firefox browser. Then click to follow the second link. The second link works correctly too. These two links now work properly even if the user has JavaScript disabled.